Imagine building a fully functional app just by describing your idea. With Google AI Studio, that's now a reality. This tutorial will show you step-by-step how to use Gemini 3's groundbreaking vibe coding in Google AI Studio to create and deploy your own software applications, focusing on innovation over traditional coding barriers. The problem: the coding barrier is dead. Traditional coding requires extensive knowledge and time, blocking many innovators. Most people think building software is only for experienced developers. Google AI Studio with Gemini 3 lets you create apps from concepts, removing programming limits. Getting set up with Google AI Studio. Navigate to Google AI Studio, ai.google.dev, and log in with your Google account. Ensure you have access to Gemini 3 features. May require opting into beta programs. 1. Gotcha. Start with a clear, concise app concept, not vague instructions. Vibe coding in action. Step 1. Input your app idea using natural language, e.g., create a simple habit tracker app for daily tasks with reminders. Step 2. Upload multimedia, images, audio, video to integrate into your app's design or functionality. Key variable. Refine your initial prompt with descriptive adjectives and desired functionalities for better output. Advanced tips and iterative refinement. Power user trick 1. Use the refine feature to iterate on generated code/visuals, asking AI to add specific components or change UI elements. Power user trick 2. Test different vibe inputs to see how the AI interprets various tones and styles for your app. Combination with another tool. Integrate with Google Cloud for one-click deployment and scaling. Real-world results and your first deployed app. See a functional prototype generated from a simple prompt, ready for use or further development. Empowers entrepreneurs, educators, and students to focus on solving problems, not debugging code. Use cases. Build educational tools, personal utilities, or even business prototypes you can deploy today. Deployment and sharing your creation. Demonstrate the Deploy to Google Cloud button for instant app publishing. Explain how to share your newly created software with others. Encourage viewers to experiment and innovate with their own ideas. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials.